Hey everybody, I've been gone all day and I've been dying to open this package. This is the Chic Sparrow second chance sale, and oh my gosh, I'm like 95% sure that I'm gonna hate this. So I tried to be really conservative. I only have one thing in here. It's a nano. I've been watching everybody else's unboxings and oh my God, I'm so nervous about this. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I don't know why I keep participating. I've only ever gotten one other one and I hated it. I mean, hate's a strong word, but it was everything that I didn't like. It was a yellow Pemberley. So I don't do bright colors and I don't do Pemberley. And I'm not gonna open this because I wanna be surprised. And here we go. I don't have a nano at all in my collection, so this was just a nice, more inexpensive way for me to kind of try this out as a wallet. Oh my gosh, if I get a bright color, I'm just gonna be so disappointed. Basically, the range of possibilities that would make me happy is so small that this is just so nerve-wracking. All right. Oh my God. I cannot believe I got this. I love this. This is so crazy. It's a mockingbird in the Nightingale, which is, I love the Nightingale line, or I love the Mockingbird line, and Nightingale is actually my favorite color of all three in the Mockingbird collection. That is insane. I was hoping for a brown one, like Waypoint or something like that, but this is so perfect. I can't believe it. I think maybe that's why it's second chance. I guess it just has some, the burnishing was not done very well right there up at the top. I don't care about that. I'm loving that. This one has like little speckles on it. You can see. Oh, it's so pretty and it's so cute. Oh my God, I'm so relieved. And I don't know why I didn't even consider that I could get a anything from Mockingbird. I think I was just so worried I was going to end up with a Pemberley or an Outlander Fraser and just some bright color, just like a bright pink or something. Oh, I am so pleasantly surprised, and I'm really glad that I got a nice thin one. I was really not hoping to get a creme either. I didn't want anything really thick. And man, this is just the lightest, thinnest thing. And I actually did end up getting the wallet insert with the multiple cards in it. So I'm gonna set that up, but whoa, what a relief. I'm really satisfied with this. Thank you, Chic Sparrow. And I have some more videos to watch. These are such fun things to watch. I get nervous every single time I watch someone unboxing something like this, especially if they have a preference and stuff that they're hoping that they won't get. And I might have a wonky stitch there, but I'm so happy with this. I really love it, and I can't wait to set it up and start using it. Anyway, let me know what you got, of course, and I'm so excited to know. And were you disappointed? Do you love what you got? I'm so curious. These are always so fun and nerve-wracking at the same time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye!